Good morning. It is September 16th, and in case you haven't noticed, it's a lot cooler out there throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan areas. We're going to start first with our infrared satellite picture, and we have a disturbance sitting up over the Ohio River Valley that will collapse. The main story, of course, is high pressure is in control throughout, well, the Great Lakes, the Northeast, the Mid-Atlantic, the Southeast, and pretty much almost all of the East. It's wonderful weather conditions out there, although a bit chilly. You start out with temperatures in the 70s and 80s, and now we'll be lucky to break 70, especially going through this weekend. So overall, we're dealing with a much cooler and fall-like pattern. How cool is it? Well, let's take a look at some of the surface features here. This is the latest temperature analysis from the National Weather Service. And as you can see here, we have temperatures below 56 degrees throughout all of New Jersey and the New York City metropolitan area. You can see the chart right here. We were up here, and now we are down here. And as you can see, even parts of the interior got as cool as the mid 30s to lower 40s over extreme northeastern Pennsylvania. And we can expect the similar weather conditions that we saw this morning, with even a little bit of frost in northeastern New Jersey, northwestern New Jersey, should I say, northeastern Pennsylvania, and parts of the Hudson River Valley. So we're dealing with a much cooler and drier air mass. Now, when we look at the surface features, obviously, we have high pressure in control. We're still a little bit breezy, anywhere from 10 to 20 miles per hour, but that's going to continue to decline as our pressure gradient slackens off. Pressure gradient was enhanced a little bit because our cold front and trough is starting to entrain Hurricane Maria, and that enhanced the low pressure system and caused winds to be a little bit stronger than I had expected for this far out into the forecast by this morning. So, as you can see, we continue to have high pressure and control, and not much is really going on. We can expect a very nice weekend on the way. Sure, we'll be a little bit cool, but I'll take it compared to rainy and cloudy and stormy. So looking at the forecast, again, high pressures in control all the way through Sunday into Monday. Now, there is this one feature here. We have a trough of low pressure in a stationary front off of the East Coast, and it's going to produce a wave of low pressure. And notice how the pressure lines here, the pressure gradient, is a little bit more packed. As a result, we could see stronger easterly winds on Sunday and Monday due to the combination of this high pressure and this low pressure interacting with each other. I don't expect any precipitation, but we could see a little bit more cloud cover and a little bit more windy conditions on Sunday and Monday than I'm currently expecting right now. I'll keep an eye on this feature, but again, I don't expect any rainfall. I don't expect any significant weather impacts aside from maybe a little bit more windy conditions than what we're forecasting right now. High pressure remains in control all the way until Monday night, and then Tuesday through Thursday, we're going to continue to have these disturbances drop down from the Great Lakes and move through the northern Mid-Atlantic, producing widely scattered showers. Nothing heavy, no major storms out there, but it will reinforce and enhance the polar air mass that is in the northern Mid-Atlantic. So over the next 7 days, we stay near to slightly below normal in temperatures. We will have a little bit of a moderation towards next week, but temperatures closer to normal. But the main theme is for this weekend, go out there and enjoy it because the weather is going to be absolutely excellent. Low humidity, clear skies, a little cool, but we're heading into fall. It's pretty much on par and what should be expected. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Have an excellent weekend and be safe out there.